Hello, everybody. Anita here. Today, we're going to talk about visualization to materialize what we want. We not only need the feeling, but lay there in the mornings and or whenever it's comfortable for you and just visualize what would it be like to get your breakthrough? What kind of feelings does that bring up in you? You want to concentrate on that and see you living the life that you want. What will it feel like to go sign those papers on that new house? What would it feel like to go sign the papers on your new car? What would it feel like to go buy your children everything they need? Or if they're grown, what would it feel like to go pay for a place for them to live? Whatever it is that you have in your heart, what would it feel like to make that book deal and get that check for that year's worth of income that you earned and you deserve? There's so many things out there and everybody's different. They want to bring into their lives something different. You may want a yacht, but another person may just want a place to buy to live out the rest of their lives in. You may want to travel the world, and another person may just want something for their children that they never had. So, wealth and prosperity and abundance is different for everybody. But really, I just want you to take some time here and visualize what it would be like if you had the life that you dream of. You personally, what would it feel like to you? What would you be doing? Close your eyes for a few minutes and just visualize that. 17 seconds or more. 17 seconds, Abraham Hicks talks about to start our manifestations. And if you can do more, you can visualize them into place. And I advise you to do that on a daily basis. I was laying there this morning before I got out of bed, just visualizing and pretending I had my dream life already in existence. I'm headed there, and I hope you are too. But it's so fulfilling to just sit there and think, what would I be doing today if I got another breakthrough? If I got that large check in the mail or in my account just showed up spontaneously, what would I be doing today? Who would I be calling? How would I be celebrating? First off, I'd be making a video of my breakthrough, and then I would be calling my children and we would be going out to celebrate. That's just a little piece of it. But I'd be jumping up and down and I'd be having a good old time, I'll tell you. So what is it you'd be doing? I'm curious to know that, just visualize how happy you would be and feel those feelings and just lay there and kind of daydream about it. It's an awesome feeling. And with that, I just encourage you to do these things and make sure your visualizations are 17 seconds or more and just bask in the feeling of it. Just be excited, any rate. You're calling it in. You're calling those things that aren't as though they are. So go ahead and have some fun with this and comment below some of your manifestations if you feel like it. I would love to know. And with that, I say God bless you all. You are deeply appreciated, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye for now.